Hello, this is Eric with Solaris Studios in Houston. Thank you so much for your order. Okay, so a restoration, a photographic restoration. These are always kind of fun for me because they're like a jigsaw puzzle. We've got a good amount. There's some discoloration going on here around the edges too. A lot of debris on the image. Some text. All right, so we got a lot of things to take care of here. And so let me show you what I did. All right, so you can see down here on the arm or the shoulder area, I smoothed that out. Right. Then as you come into the face, I took care of that discoloration, cleaned up the face some. Oops, excuse me. Redrew the eyes a little bit, drew under the eyes, colored the face a little bit. It's got a little bit of a sepia tone to it, which I kind of kept. I kind of liked it. I could have made it a pure black and white, but I like the tone that's there. There was some lines coming out of the shoulder over here. Took care of those. I did not remove this line going across here. I kind of like the leading line. It goes right to her eyes, right? So I didn't mess with that. And I'm clean up her eyebrow. Right. So still looks like her. The only last thing we're going to do is we're going to do some color balancing here. And these are what's called levels. There's a graph here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see this. The graph represents pure black and pure white, 255 being pure white and 0 being pure black. So as I see this graph come down here, I can see it ends before it gets all the way to the end of the graph, which means there's no pure black in this image. And sure enough, it looks kind of washed out. So as I move this slider over, I get more of a pure black in your image, so it doesn't look like it's as faded. And I'm not going all the way to the black mark here. If anything I go past on that black mark becomes pure black and you lose all definition. So you take it right before. Now on this side is pure white. You can see the line goes all the way to the edge of the graph, which means something is already pure white in the image and has lost all detail. And my guess is it's these windows up top here. Right, that represents the windows, and this area in here represents the blouse. So I can't really do anything about that. But you can see that's a much nicer image to look at. Excellent. Thank you so much for your business. I'll have this online for you to download shortly. Enjoy your weekend. Keep safe.